The Philippines is facing a water crisis. The water crisis is caused by a number of factors including rapid population growth, climate change, and poor water management.
Poor water management is a significant issue contributing to water scarcity and inefficiency in many regions, including the Philippines. The aging and leaky water infrastructure in the country poses various challenges that affect the availability and the distribution of water to households and businesses.
The population in the Philippines is expected to double by 2050. This means that we'll have to find a way to double our water supply.
The water cycle, also known as the hydrological cycle, is the continuous process by which water circulates and moves through the Earth's atmosphere, surface, and subsurface. It is a natural and vital process that ensures the distribution and availability of water on our planet. The water cycle involves several key processes, each of which plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of water on Earth. These processes include evaporation. The first step in the water cycle is evaporation, where water from oceans, lakes, rivers, and other water bodies is heated by the sun and turns into water vapor as it rises into the atmosphere. Condensation. As the water vapor rises in a cooler upper atmosphere, it begins to condense into tiny water droplets around dust and other particles, forming clouds. Precipitation. When the water droplets in clouds become large enough, they fall back to the Earth's surface as precipitation, which can take the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Infiltration. Some of the precipitation is absorbed into the ground, a process called infiltration, where it replenishes groundwater reserves. Surface runoff. The remaining precipitation flows over the land as surface runoff, eventually making its way into rivers, streams, and other water bodies. Transpiration. Transpiration is the process by which plants absorb water through their roots, release it into the atmosphere as water vapor through their leaves. Sublimation. Sublimation is the direct transition of water from a solid to a gas without becoming a liquid first. Last is melting. Melting occurs when ice or snow changes state into liquid water due to rising temperature.
Are we invasive species? Invasive species are organisms that are intruders to a new environment that causes harm to the native ecosystems. Human widespread impacts on the water cycle that has significant repercussion on aquatic ecosystems and the whole environment. For instance, water extraction. Humans consume vast amounts of water from natural sources. This disrupts the balance of water availability in ecosystem, leading to a high volume of reduced water levels in rivers, lakes, and groundwater reserves. Human activities are leading source of pollution as we release pollutants into water bodies. This sort of contamination endangers aquatic life and the natural water cycle process, making it challenging for ecosystem to function properly. Another factor is climate change, human included. Climate change affects the water cycle at an alarming rate of global scale, leading to changes in temperature and precipitation patterns, influencing evaporation rates, rainfall, and ice melt, resulting in more intense droughts like El Nino, catastrophic floods, and other extreme events of weather. Even if we are the main perpetrators of water crisis, the water environment indirectly influences human epigenetics. Water pollutants, agricultural runoff, and contaminants in water sources can trigger epigenetic changes through prolonged exposure, potentially contributing to health issues. The quality of water for agriculture and food sources can affect diets, influencing epigenetic patterns and resulting in implication for disease risk and health outcomes. Water scarcity and inadequate sanitation. A problem for 2.4 billion people can cause stress, leading to adverse psychological effects linked to epigenetic changes.
Water crisis is a significant challenge, but with collective efforts and individual actions, we can make a positive impact and work towards ensuring that everyone in the Philippines and beyond has access to clean, safe water. Here's a recap of some actionable steps individuals can take to address the water crisis. Number one, reduce water consumption. Number two, fix leaks. Number three, support water access urbanization. Number four, advocate for sustainable water management. Number five, practice water conservation. Number six, contribute to community efforts. And lastly, number seven, educate others about the importance of water conservation, sustainable water use, and the significance of addressing the water crisis.
We live on a blue planet. A massive 70% of the Earth's surface is water. Yet just 5% of the ocean is protected from damaging human activities. By working together and taking these steps, we can collectively address the water crisis and work towards a more sustainable and equitable water future for everyone. Every individual contribution matters, and together, we can make significant difference in ensuring access to clean, safe water for all.
Comprehensive and sustainable approaches are required to address the water crisis, including enhancing water management procedures, promoting water conservation, investing in water infrastructures, enacting pollution control laws, and implementing climate change adaptation plans. Additionally, raising public knowledge and encouraging local participation in water resource management can be extremely important in addressing this worldwide issue. The water crisis is a challenge, but it is also an opportunity. We can use this crisis to build a more sustainable future for our country, Philippines.